Namaskar children, welcome to the geography class. As you all know, we had done our topic formation of planets. So children, today we are going to discuss about the satellites, especially about the moon. Before that, it is very important for you to know about the planets when they are formed. So children, remember that all planets are formed in same period of time before 4 to 6 billion years ago. So there is no difference in the formation of the planets. So let's continue with the topic of the solar system, which was formed from a huge gaseous mass, which we have discussed about nebula, its collapse and core formation began about 5 to 6 billion years ago, and the planets were formed. So children, now we are going to discuss about the moon. You know that the moon is the only one planet of the of Earth. So about moon, different theories are presented by different scientists, but the theory which is very important to know, that is in 1858 George Darwin has presented a theory that the Earth and the moon formed a single body which was rotating at a high speed in the universe. So children, this theory is presented by Darwin, and in this theory he said that a single body which is rotating at a high speed in the universe, the whole mass assumed the shape of a dumb ball. You can say middle kind of narrow in the middle, and that ball was narrow in the middle and broad at the end. So at it eventually broke. Then what he said that the moon was formed by the materials which got separated from the earth. So children, you can see the diagram which I had drawn over here. This is earth, and look at that. This is a part of the earth. You can call it moon right now. This part is separated from the earth, and then this kind of shape will be occur in the earth. So this shape is known as earth, and this is moon, which is separated from the earth. And nowadays you can see that big ocean over here, that is Pacific Ocean, and deep होल इज प्रेजेंटेड हियर. इन डीप होल में आपको आज पैसिफिक ओशन नजर आता है. So this is the shape. This theory is presented by George Darwin in 1858. Or some people are not satisfied with his story, with theory which is given by him. Other theories also being a little bit same, like that moon is formed by the process of big splat. You can say that this theory which is presented by Mr. George Darwin, which theory again उस पर work हुआ, and other way it is presented over here, and this process by which moon is separated from the earth, this process is known as big splat, or you can say giant impact. So children, this is very important theory. Now after that, it is very important presented by other scientists. Look at the diagram here. Same as a sun is here, earth is here, and one portion of the earth is separated from the earth. So children, how it is separated? Because of one important word, that is collision. You know that the meaning of collision, that means alag hona, tootna. Why it will happen? Because a heavenly body which is moving in the universe, the heavenly body collide 3 times, and this heavenly body name was Mars. It collide earth 3 times, and one portion of that earth is separated from the earth. Look at this, and this separated part is known as moon. You can see the diagram. The theory is little bit same as the theory presented by Mr. George Darwin. The theory is little bit same like that. Okay, but at this time he said a heavenly body which collide to the earth, and after that a small portion from the earth is separated because of the collision, and this separated portion is known as moon. और उनका भी ये मानना था कि the separation part is filled by the Pacific Ocean. So this kind of incident happened like almost 4.4 million years ago. After a collision, large parts were blasted from the earth, and they are moving around the earth in the universe. They are orbiting around the earth and assumed that the shape of moon, you can say right now days. So the blasted material orbiting, so this happened about almost 4.4 million years ago. That means it blasted a large part, and these large parts are moving in the space, and after that these large parts a long period of time जो ये large part थे यही आगे चलकर एक satellite का form लेते हैं. This satellite is known as, you can say right nowadays, that is a shape of moon. So this is the complete story of the formation of moon. First story presented by George Darwin, by which a portion is separated from the earth and this portion is known as moon. After that, another theory was presented by other scientists. In this theory, when a heavenly body collide to the earth 3 times, they attacked on the earth 3 times, and after that some portions blast happened over there, and after this blast some heavenly bodies are moving in the space, and after a long period of time they converted in the form of moon. And now we can say here, this portion in this diagram you can understand moon is separated from the earth, or this portion is filled by Pacific Ocean. So these are the stories show that if you the question will come in exam, what is the process of big splat. You can use this diagram and explain the process of big splat. What is the process of big splat, and how can we say that the moon is separated from the earth, and name the ocean which is made up after the separation of the moon from the earth. So these kind of questions will be asked you in the exam. So children, this is the complete formation of the moon or the satellite of the earth. Thank you so much.